again to our housemates for making the time to be with us here today, our Sparkle executives and officers, and of course, our friends from the media. Ang tanong ko lang, housemates, ready na ba kayo sa Q&A round? For sure, kaya-kaya to. Ang daming na-surpass na taas ni Kuya. Etong last how many Are you guys ready? I love that energy. All right, let us finally begin the Q&A portion or Tapakan 2.0. De joke lang. Ito na. All right, our first set of questions came from Nikki Wang of Manila Standard. So our first question is actually for everyone right here. Now that you've experienced what it's like inside the PBB house, if there were to be a PBB collab 3.0, which GMA stars would you want to see enter the house and why? I think we should start with the ladies. So who wants to start? Alright, Caprice. Alright.
Kung magkakaroon po ng collab ulit, gusto ko pong makita si Miss Marian Rivera and Sir Ding Dong Dantes together doon po sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Kasi, or kahit kung family po sila, natutuwa po kasi ako kasi gusto ko rin po makita yung dynamics nila kung paano po yung nagiging journey nila doon sa loob ng bahay.
Our Kapuso Primetime Kings and Queens. The family will be inside. Actually, you've met Miss Marian recently, so how was that?
It was really fun, ate, kasi na-meet ko si Miss Marian before na-guesting ako sa show niya. Kaya natutuwa ako na nakita ko ulit si Miss Marian. Ngayong teenager naman na ako ngayon.
Parang na makita ulit kayo sa PBB house.
Yeah!
Alright, what about you, Ashley? Sino ang GMA star ang gusto mong makasama sa 3.0?
Ako po, meron po akong two people in mind, which is si Sean Lucas and si Zephanie. Kasi yun po, natagal na po namin silang nakaka-work. And nakikita ko po sa kanila na madami po silang ma-add na ligaya and memories din po sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And personally, si Zephanie po, na-inspire po ako sa kanya kapag nakakausap ko siya. So, alam ko po na marami po siyang ma-inspire din po na susuporta po sa kanya sa loob.
So much, just like you, you've inspired so much as well. And congrats kay Stephanie, Born to Shine. Panoorin niyo po yan, of course. How about you, Princess?
Ako naman siguro po, I really love to see Ate Bianca Umali sa PBB kasi I really love her personality. She's very strong, independent, and she's very humble din, very grounded. And ayun nga, gusto ko po talaga yung role niya sa Encantadia. Feeling ko magiging task layer siya sa bahay ni Kuya. So,
Actually, bagay din sa Encantadia, no? Pwede sila magkapatid ni Bianca Umali. I can see that, right? Oh, malay mo. Next episode. How about the gentleman? I want to hear from you. Who wants to go first? Nagpasahan. Okay, Clifford, go ahead. Take it away.
Siguro for me, two people in mind din. Yung first is a good friend of mine, which is si Mark Oliveros or si Esnes for you. Kasi syempre, he's such a fun guy and I really hope na the world will get to see kung paano talaga siya. And siguro yung next naman is si Ate Atisa Manalo.
The Miss Universe. What a sweet friend. Thank you, Clifford. How about you, Marco?
Well, for me, actually, some artists then that I have worked before, sila Ate Andrea Torres, sila Kuya Benjamin Alves, ayun, sila Kuya Ruru, and sila Kuya Miguel, kasi I would like to see their dynamics as an housemate, kasi alam naman natin na talagang magaling sila sa craft nila, so gusto ko lang din makita kung paano nila ma-share yun inside the house. Yeah.
Very well said, Marco. How about you, Lee?
Gusto ko yung magaling mag-host, yung Giza. Parang pwede yun maging housemate ni Kuya.
Grabe ka.
Pwede. But besides you, of course, siguro a lot of Sparkle artists in mind, top of my head. Si Kuya Beto Subaya, si Ate May Bautista. I think, for me, isa sa mga housemate na nag-stay doon, ang saya ng may housemate na laging nagpapatawa doon, laging nag-bring ng good vibes, katulad din, Ashley, ni Clifford, yeah! Kaya kailangan natin yung mga tipong housemate na ganyan nagpapasaya. And siguro yun, last few people I have in mind, sa kabatch ko naman sa Sparkle teams back then, yun si Aya, pati si Gea. Yeah, bagay din po sila sa, kung if ever magkaroon ulit ng collab sa PBB.
Great. great answer. Nagulat ako sa una mong sagot. And of course, I'm sure our GMA Sparkle executives are taking down notes kung sino ang next set of PBB Collab 3.0 housemates natin. And another question is, for everyone as well. Ay! Si Heath, sorry, of course, definitely si Heath. Sino ang gusto mong makita sa PBB Collab 3.0?
Gusto ko pong makita na kung meron pong next collab po, I want to see my best friend Gio Mahana po dun sa bahay ni Kuya kasi he's a really great guy and he really knows how to make people smile. And then I want people to see how he is as a person po.
That's a very sweet answer. I'm sure your friend definitely appreciates that. Again, thank you so much guys for answering. Now let's move on to the second question. This one is for Lee Victor. Alright, what's something na hindi nakita ng viewers but you wish they knew?
That's a good question. Honestly, siguro, dapat nagpa-straight hair pala ako bago ako
Ay,
pumasok ng bahay ni Kuya. Jokes aside, as you know, parang first few weeks, first up to 3 weeks, talk of the town ako. Not in a good way though, but in a bad way. But you know, clueless me, syempre wala kaming alam tungkol sa outside world. Clueless kami. No outside information, no social media, no anything. Nada. Kaya nung na-evict na ako and it's time to scroll, time to check social media, ano mga nangyari. So binalita sa akin, ayun na nga. Mga narinig ko nung first few weeks, ano daw ako daw pet peeve ng bahay, pabida-bida daw ako, annoying, di nag-aayos, laging magulo yung buhok. Honestly, hearing that, yeah, masakit, pero in a way, parang, well, what you see is what you get. Pero, yung sana gusto ko na nakita nyo, ako as much as I wanted to be a leader for the house, kung update kayo, they nominated me to be the leader of the whole house. Hindi lang sa chores, kung hindi sa lahat kaya tawag sa akin, leader. Pero, ayun nga, hindi nasunod din kasi nga, ayun, you know, a lot of stuff happens. Pero, ayun nga yung hindi pinakita na part sa PBB. Yung ninominate nila ako, hindi pinakita yung raise of hands na parang binoto ako as a leader. So yung dating parang, ayun parang ako yung mismong parang self-volunteer na parang ako yung leader. Pero honestly, kung kahit ganun yung tingin nyo sa akin, okay lang, it's fine. Kasi honestly, I just want the best for the housemates. So ayun na, naging leader ako. Kung anong alam ko lang tungkol about being a leader, that's how I handle the situation inside the house. Kung paano ba maging isang leader ng isang bahay. Kasi honestly, first time po yun sa akin. Napaka-laking task or yung pagiging leader of 19 people in one household. And never ko po yun na-experience. Kaya I really tried my best. Tinry ko yung best ko na ipasaya yung mga housemate. And yeah, just do the job well.
Yes,
So,
our
ayun po.
leader right here. And we miss your curly era.
Wow.
But we love the new straight hair era. So thank you so much, Lee, for your honesty as well. Now, my next question is for Clifford. Ito medyo tapak.